first thing to do is to cut a piece of fabric with 32 centimeter length and 22 centimeter width. Then I'm going to fold it in half, pin and sew it here and here. Don't forget to leave an unsewn space at the top. Next, grab the center of the bottom and rotate it just like this. Then pin and sew it. Again, don't forget to leave an unsewn space. Now we're going to turn it right side out through the one hole we made. After that, draw a 2 straight line from the bottom. Next, put some polyester fiber filling inside through the hole we made until it gets full. After that, put some filling at the bottom too, through the hole we made. And last thing to do is to close up the 2 openings we made. And we're finished. And here's the finished product.